Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 10. Okay, so to get started, first thing you need to do is go to the Android Studio website, and you can see the link here on my screen. I'll also leave this link in the video description. So once you're on this page here, you'll see a download button here. So you just need to click this button. It'll pop up this window here, the terms and conditions window. So if you scroll to the bottom, there's a button or a box here you need to check. So check the agree to the terms and conditions box and then hit the download button here. Okay, so I've already downloaded the executable just to speed things up for this video. But once you've downloaded the executable file, just go to it in your folder wherever it's downloaded to and just double click. Okay, so that should start the installation process. Okay, my screen has probably gone blank just now, just while I approve the actual install on my machine. So once I've done that, then I've got this pop-up here for the Android Studio install wizard. Okay, so once you see that, you can just click next here. Next screen here, then you can just leave these boxes ticked here. I want the Android virtual device component installed, so I'm leaving that as it is. I'm sure you'll want that too. Okay, so just click next. Next screen here then is just where do you want the install files to be located. Again, I'm just going to leave the default and click next. Okay, and then on this screen, it's just giving me certain preferences here. So I'm going to again leave the default, leave this Android Studio setting here, and I'm going to click install. Okay, so that's kicked off the install process. Should take a few minutes, and as part of the install, additional tools will need to be downloaded. So again, that will take a bit of time. So I'm just going to pause the recording while the install process is running. Okay, as you can see here, it's telling me the installation is complete. So I'm just going to click next again. Okay, and now it's asking me, do I want to start Android Studio? So I'm going to leave that box ticked. Click finish. So Android Studio should have started up. It's asking me here now, do I want to import settings? I don't have any settings at the moment to import, so I'm just going to say do not import settings. Click OK. Okay, and now you can see a welcome screen here. So on the welcome screen, I'm just going to click next. Okay, and it's asking me what type of install I want. So I'm just going to click a standard install, which is what most people will need. So unless you want something fairly specific, in that case you would click custom, but as I said, I'm just going to click standard, hit next. Okay, it's asking me then to select a theme. Do I want the light theme or the dark theme, basically? So I'm just going to leave that as it is on the dark theme. Click next. Okay, and then in this section here, it's just asking me, do I want to review certain things here? Again, the defaults are fine here, so I'm just going to click next. Okay, and now it's asking me to agree to the license agreement. So I'm just going to scroll through that. And you probably should just read through that agreement in your own time. I'm going to click accept then here. Okay, and then there's another agreement here that you need to select on the left hand side. So you click on this one here, and then again you can scroll through that and have a read of it, and then click accept. And once you accept the second agreement, then you should be able to click on the finish option. Okay, so now the the wizard will go out and download some additional packages that are needed for Android Studio to run. So that will probably take a bit of time. So again, I'm just going to pause the recording while that download is happening. Okay, so as you can see, the additional components have been downloaded, and I now have the option to click finish on the installation. So just click finish, and as you can see, it's opening up Android Studio for me here. Okay, so that's it for the installation. You should be good to go now with Android Studio on Windows 10. So thanks for watching, and if you found the video useful, please leave a like. Thank you.